Okay, today we are going to be working with more linear equations. And in our more linear equations, the first equation that we're going to be working with is called point slope form. The point slope form of a line that goes through the point let's say it goes to the point 3, -5. And has a slope of 4. We're going to start off with a line that goes through the point 3, -5, and it has a slope of 4. When you're writing an equation in point slope form, the format looks like this. You write the letter y. Next to the letter y goes the opposite of the y value of the point that the line goes through. So in this case, we would write y plus 5. Equal sign. Then the slope. In this case, we got 4. We go with a left parenthesis, and then we put the letter x. And then next to the letter x goes the opposite of the x value of the point that's on the line. So this would be -3. That is an equation in point slope form of a line that goes through 3, -5 with a slope of 4. So if you want to, you could put something like opposite of the y given right here between the equal sign and the right parenthesis. I'm sorry, the equal sign and the left parenthesis. That's your slope. And then right here to the right of the x, that is opposite of the x given. Because in this example, this 3, this is your x value, your x sub 1. And this -5 is your y sub 1, or the y value given. So if we did this again and we wrote an equation of a line in point slope form that went through, let's say it goes through -2, 5, and it's got a slope of -1/2. Do it yourself now and look at your notes. And then I'll do it and you can compare to your notes. All right, so we go the letter y and then the opposite of the y value. So y minus 5 equals the slope, which is negative 1/2. Left parenthesis, letter x, and the opposite of the x value that's given. So in this case, we would have x plus 2 in parentheses. Everybody okay with that? Not overly difficult? All right. That'll be the first part of your assignment. You'll be given a point, and you'll be given the slope, and you'll be asked to write an equation in point-slope form. Second part of the assignment. You're going to be asked to write an equation in point-slope form for a line that passes through the given points. So now you're going to be given 2 points, and what you're missing is the slope. So let's say that you're given 2 points, and you're given 3, 2, 5, 8. So here's your points. You got a 3, 2, and you got a 5, 8. If you have to write this equation in point-slope form, you need a slope. So the first thing you're going to do for this line is you're going to find the slope, or the m. So the slope of this line is going to be equal to 8 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 3. Can you put that down and take notes, please? Hey, you put that away and take notes, please. 8 minus 2 in the numerator is 6. 5 minus 3 in the denominator is 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now you've got a point and you've got a slope. So you can write the equation in point-slope form. So you take it and we go y and the opposite of the y value given. And today, let's just use the first point each time. All right, let's use the first point. So we're going to go y minus 2 equals the slope, which is 3. Left parenthesis, letter x. And the opposite of the x value that's given. So in this case, we get a minus 3. There's our equation in point-slope form for a line that passes through the 2 given points. Anybody have any questions on that? So can you guys write an equation if you're given a point in the slope? Okay. That's what we did first. We got a point. We got a slope. Y and the opposite of the y given equals the slope. Left parenthesis, letter x, and the opposite of the x given. Second part of the assignment is you're just given the 2 points. So the first thing that you have to do is find the slope. And you find the slope using the slope formula. All right, which is your y sub 2 minus your y sub 1 divided by your x sub 2 minus your x sub 1. And then substitute. Y and the opposite of the y value given, so the opposite of the 2, which is negative 2, equals the slope. Here's the slope you found. Left parenthesis, letter x. And then the opposite of the x value given. So the opposite of 3 is your negative 3. All right, if you don't have any questions on writing lines in point slope form, then your assignment for today is on page 86. Problems 10 through 21. Page 86, problems 10 through 21. And if you give me a minute here, I'll get that posted, or I'll get it up on the wall for you.